at Standing Money Champion. Today's video is all about slimming tea. We want to make our own slimming tea by using three ingredients. We are using cocoa powder, we are using milk powder, and we are using coffee powder. Let's go into the video. So we are using coffee. You can make use of this coffee or you use this, but I prefer this. Why? Because this coffee contain a lot of ingredients that are not in this very one. That mocha is here, contain mocha. It also contain Arabic beans and robistic beans and so on. So I prefer using this. In this slimming tea, you cannot find this slimming tea anywhere. This is my own formulating slimming tea. I go into daily recommendation of our slimming tea. Like this coffee powder, daily recommendation of coffee powder. We need 3 tablespoons. This is the spoon I'm using. If you use this very tablespoon, you will not get the accurate measurement. That's why I decided to use this normal customized tablespoon. It's tablespoon. It's written on it. We need 3 to 8 tablespoons of coffee powder daily basis. But I want to reduce mine to 3 because we are going to use it for long time. So since we are going to, you can use it forever. This slimming tea, you can just be missing it. Once it's finished, you miss more again, or you miss a larger part of it. You can use it forever. It's not for only those that want to slim, but also for a healthy way of drinking tea than for us to be drinking more of calories tea. This is a good one for you than drinking more of calories. So we are using, I want to use 3 tablespoons. This a day consumption, 3 tablespoons. I'm putting it into a blender because I will blend everything together. The next ingredient here, is milk. I'm using skim milk. If you don't have skim milk, you can buy this 3 crown milk powder. It has a powder, you can grind powder. So daily recommendation is 250 ml. That is 1 cup. This one is 250 ml. You can see it is written on it. 1 cup, 250 ml. So I want to measure in 250 ml. This is the daily recommendation of milk. So I want to measure 250 milk, daily recommendation. But this slimming tea that I'm making, I know some people will say, are you putting milk? Yes, milk is very important. Contain calciums, a lot of vitamin, different type of vitamin. So we need milk. If you're undergoing slimming program, does not mean that you don't need milk. Milk is good for the body. We need it. Just that when you take too much of it and the one that is full of calories, that is not good for us. This one, I will blend it gradually so that the tea can blend well. Let me reduce this first. So the next ingredient is our cocoa powder. daily recommendation of cocoa powder is 2 tablespoons. Daily recommendation of cocoa powder 2 tablespoons, because cocoa also contain caffeine. I don't want to put in sugar. Our daily recommendation of sugar is 3 tablespoons. But that 3 tablespoons is not only the sugar. Any sweet thing that you consume that day. We have 13 type of sugar. We have sugar for fruit. So if you consume fruit, you cannot really measure amount of sugar from it. So to just be on the safe side, you have to reduce the intake of your sugar. That's why I don't want to put sugar into this very mixture. When we want to drink it, we cannot use sugar to drink it. So this very mixture that I'm preparing now is supposed to be for one day, but I want us to use it for 2 to 3 days, because we are going to take this tea for very long time. Once e finish, you take again. Once e finish, you take again. For us to be at the safe side, so let's consume it 2 to 3 days. Although I reduce the coffee, the daily coffee intake supposed to be 8 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons, because they say to consume coffee, normal range of consuming coffee is 3 to 4 cup. And 1 cup of coffee, that is 1 cup of coffee contain 1 to 2 tablespoons mixed with 108 ml of hot water. If you do that calculation, you will arrive at 8 tablespoons of coffee. So, but we are not using 8 tablespoons. We are just using only 3 tablespoons. So we want to shift it now into a blender. We want to go and blend it. So, now we are blending our coffee to mix well. We are blending it now to mix well. We finish blending it. We finish blending the coffee. This is our outcome of this blended slimming tea. So I want to add in my remaining milk. You can just mix it here. You can mix it. If you are not using, while I blend it, I want everything to mix well. That's why I just go into blending. So you can mix it here. When you mix it for very long time, everything will mix together. Everything have mixed well now. We have mixed everything well. If you want to drink it, after taking 3 tablespoons in the morning, you mix with 150 to 180 ml of hot water. Then you drink without adding any sweetener. If you want to still drink in the evening, you take the same 3 tablespoons. Now you can put any sweetener of your choice. You can make use of honey. You take 1 spoon, take 1 tablespoon of honey, add it to your evening one, or you take brown sugar 1 tablespoon, or you can reduce it to 1 teaspoon, but do not use white sugar, use brown sugar. This is how you will be consuming. Shift into airtight container. For quick action, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the morning dose, and also repeat the same thing in the evening. The lemon will speed up the slimming process. Drink the evening dose 6 hours before your bedtime for the caffeine not to interrupt your sleep. Catch you there, and thank you.